Hey y'all, it's your girl Kaya, and welcome back to another video of Traveling with the Shannons. Today we will continue another episode of Mr. and Mrs. Shannon Adults Only Cruise in Cozumel and Mr. Sancho's Beach Club. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you know when we drop another video. Now let's get to it. Let's do it.
Good morning, everybody. It is about 7:48. I am up now. Brandon's up. He's on the balcony. I'm about to go to breakfast really quick. Just grab some for me to come back. Hopefully an omelet. So I was not happy with the selection yesterday. Just because we are going to Mr. Sancho's. I really hope that's the right way to say their name. We're going to Mr. Sancho's today. So I want to go ahead and get something to eat and be ready. We're moving very slow into port. We haven't docked yet. So I'm assuming we might dock a little bit about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and I just want to get on down there before the rush. So I'll be back.
Breakfast, my parents went back to their room to grab their gear to head to Mr. Sancho's. It is very hot outside in Cozumel, and it can be very tiring to walk to the pier on your own. So if you don't want to walk on the pier, then you can always get a ride from the bike escorts.
Now you live where you know. You ain't even gotta pay for this, I'm thinking. I should ask. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ma'am, is this just open to anybody?
I think so.
Okay. Nobody told you to leave, so you're doing good. Okay.
But we were sitting on the wall.
Yeah. Okay, cool. This is a nice area to just come. This is nice.
I just remember to have it water.
Up here? Oh, okay. Got you. But it's, hey, it's still nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Crossing the pier, my parents continued to the loading zone to catch a taxi to Mr. Sancho's. Mr. Sancho's is 20 minutes away from the cruise port. Make sure you're mindful of the ship time so you won't be a pier runner.
We have made it. We have made it to the front of the line. We're about to get ready to do our taxi. I did take a picture of what it should be, so hopefully nobody try to. Mr. Sancho. Yes.
Once my parents arrived at Mr. Sancho's, they checked in at their reservations desk and paid the remaining balance for their day pass. Prices are $68 for adults 18 plus, $45 for teens, 12 through 17, and $40 for children, 4 through 11. If you reserve online, there is a $5 fee per guest, and pay the remaining balance when you arrive. Check out MrSanchos.com for more information on what is included.
My name's David. I'm gonna be the waiter today, okay?
Okay.
Sodas are included? Yeah. Okay. Sodas included. Okay. And one, let me know. What's not included is a shot, down. Well, no, I was looking at they had a jet ski.
Oh, you want to get on
One or
that?
two passes, $78.
I'm not going with you.
You stupid. Why you don't want to get on this?
I'm scared. Remember what happened last time? Second drink at Mr. Sancho's. First drink had to be water. Had to get hydrated first. This is probably the only drink I have. I'm not a drinker, but all inclusive. It's funny on the back end.
My parents grabbed their food from the buffet, which is part of Mr. Sancho's all-inclusive experience. Along with the buffet, you can order certain menu items through your server at no extra cost. Drinks are included, though some alcoholic options and select entertainment costs extra. Gift shops and additional activities are also available. That food looks yummy. Thank you for watching another episode of Traveling with the Shannons. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you know when we post another video. Oh, I almost forgot. Make sure you comment down below your favorite part of the video. My favorite part was a view of the beach. What was yours?